probably going to be difficult for you to hear me with the noise from the fan running on the dryer and also the tractor running for the auger, but we'll see how it goes. It is Sunday, and I don't like to work on Sunday. It is the Lord's Day, and it should be honored, but there are just sometimes throughout the year you have to, and because of the weather that we've had, I really need to get this wheat crop out. So we are going to harvest wheat today. We've got more rain showers in the forecast this week. So we don't plan on storing this wheat very long. I will probably start hauling after the 4th of July, but just as a precaution, we do spray a pesticide on it to keep the bugs out. If you store wheat more than a month, you're going to have a bug problem, and then it's more difficult to get rid of. I don't plan on keeping it that long, but just as a precaution, we will put a chemical on called Storicide. Yesterday we switched a variety, started harvesting a different variety of wheat than what we had been harvesting. And unfortunately, this variety does not have the quality that the first variety had. So as you can see in here, some of the lighter colored kernels of wheat, that one at the end of my thumb, see how light that is compared to some of these darker ones. So those lighter ones do not have good milling qualities. They have been washed out, for lack of a better word, because of the rain that we've had, the excessive amounts of rain that we've had. So our test weight on this variety that I tested was 52 or 53 pounds. Compared to the first variety that was 60 pounds plus. So we will take a discount on this wheat because of that test weight. It's not what the flour mills want for making flour. It would be more of a feed grade wheat. This wheat is very deceiving. It appears to be great wheat, but the yields have not been proving that so far. This should be 65 or 70 bushel wheat in a normal year. This year it's only about 50 bushel wheat, unfortunately. But that's okay. We'll get through it. Just won't be buying anything new this year. can probably see in the window behind me the wheat as it's rolling into the grain tank. We are just about half full. With the bin extension I have on this combine, we can hold about 250 bushels in the tank, and so we've got about 125 bushels in there right now. Well, okay, it is rolling up towards margarita time, getting close to 5 o'clock. So I'm going to be wrapping this operation up real soon here. Sunday evening, I think my wife wants to go out to dinner this evening. So, in order to keep her happy, I will not stay out here late. I've just about got the truck loaded anyhow. So it will be a good stopping point. Tomorrow we hope to finish baling straw, and I should finish harvesting wheat. We have started planting no-till soybeans behind the wheat, and we'll continue with that. I've also got to finish putting nitrogen on the last corn that I planted. I think I'll do that first thing tomorrow morning, since there is a chance of rain tomorrow evening. And then I've got soybeans to spray. Everything that we planted a couple of weeks ago needs spraying, and then of course all of these soybeans we're planting behind the wheat, we will have to spray before they come up. So it is going to be a busy week, as long as the weather cooperates. We should have everything wrapped up by the weekend, by the 4th of July, which is next Monday. Gives us a week, 8 days or so. And that is always our goal, is to have the harvesting and the planting completed by July 4th. So, barring no problems, I believe that is doable this year. So stay tuned.